morning, my name is Tiffany Peña and I'm from Kinloch Park Middle School, and I want to talk about bees in general. Bees, scientifically known as bombius, are invertebrate creatures which live in colonies with a queen. These creatures can go up to 20 miles per hour or 32.19 kilometers per second. For such a very small animal, that is very fast. They eat nectar and pollen gathered from flowers. Most bees are non-aggressive unless, of course, you disturb them.
Hi, my name is Jairo Hidalgo and I am from Kinloch Park Middle School. I want to talk about bees in Florida. Did you know that there are a variety of bees in Florida? There are over 320 species of bees and over 4,000 in the United States. Wild bees vary widely in behavior, color, size, and shape. Here are some of the bees you might encounter here in Florida. They include sweat bees, leafcutter bees, mason bees, bumblebees, carpenter bees, longhorn bees, mining bees, plasterer bees, cuckoo bees, and lastly the most well-known honeybees.
Hi, my name is Franklyn Pineyro and I will be talking about the honeybees. There is only one honeybee species in Florida. It is a non-native European honeybee, also known as Apis mellifera. Most Florida honeybees live in large colonies and managed hives. They are primarily used for honeybee production and agricultural pollination.
Hi, my name is Alegna Terrero-Mendoza from Kinloch Park Middle School. I want to talk about why bees are so important. Bees are an important part of a community. They contribute to agriculture and human health. Many crops rely on honeybees for pollination. They pollinate 1/3 of our food and flowers. For example, 80% of European wildflowers require insect pollination. Hundreds of different vegetables and fruit crops rely on bees for pollination. Without bees, animals that eat these foods will be left without a source, and an entire food chain could be disrupted. Crops that rely on bee pollination include hardy and nutritious foods, such as almonds, blueberries, cherries, and strawberries. Bees also create honey, which is a sweetener, food source, and also offers health benefits. It has been known to be an antidepressant, anticonvulsant, and an anti-anxiety supplement. Honey also helps with eye diseases, asthma, throat infections, thirst, fatigue, dizziness, and wounds. We rely on bees without even knowing it. We use honey when we are sick. Hasn't your mom ever given you honey with lemon when you were sick? So think about it. Bees can contribute a lot to our world.
What is killing them? Now that we know why they are important, we need to know what is killing them. One of the things that is killing them is global warming. The book Pollination Problems, The Battle to Save Bees and Other Vital Animals states that over the last decade, the average Earth temperature has been steadily rising. Flowers are adjusting to change the bloom at different times than they have in the past. This means that bees won't be around when flowers bloom. By the time bees arrive, the flowers are no longer in bloom, so the bees do not have a chance to eat. Imagine going to the kitchen because you want a snack and realize all the food is gone. In addition, pesticides are extremely dangerous for bees because pesticides kill both pests and pollinators. Even if pesticides don't kill bees directly, they build up in a bee's body and they disrupt learning and memory in bees and the ability to reproduce. It is also addicting, so it's like nicotine for the bees if it were more toxic. Another thing that is killing bees is drought. Drought is when the water in the area is all dried out. Flowers which contain the food bees eat cannot survive during a drought, which means there will be fewer flowers, so if bees do not have enough food, in result, they will die out.
Hi, my name is Rosaslia Ledesma and I'm from Kinloch Park Middle, and I want to talk about how to protect bees. There are a variety of methods to protect our environment and our bees. The first way to protect the bees is to plant a flower garden to let them pollinate flowers and create fruits. Another way you can help bees is by providing bee baths. Bee baths are safe sources for bees. The water must be shallow and in a safe, sunny spot for them. Bee baths assist bees because they barely get any water from pollen or nectar. It also helps their digestion and their guts. You can also go chemical-free for the bees. Bees would enjoy a world where flowers grow without pesticides and harmful chemicals in them. Trees also help bees survive. Trees can create shade and cover for beehives. You can also become a citizen scientist. citizen scientists can learn more about bees and know proper ways to care for bees. Thank you for your attention to this important matter in our community.